Okay guys, here we are again, Craig with howtopest.com. We have a new product here for you. This is called the Ovi-Catch. Now there's two versions of this. There's the Ovi-Catch, and there's which is the planner version of it, and there's the Ovi-Catch AGO. So the difference is this one's going to be the AGO, so you'll see what it looks like. They decided that they'd come up with a planner version of this to kind of blend into surroundings. So it's going to be shaped more oval as it comes down. It's going to have a little green shrubbery around the top. They both work exactly the same. It's just cosmetic. So let's get into this product, show you exactly how to use it. It's going to come in the box like this. It's going to come two to a box. You unpackage the box. This is what it'll look like. It's going to be two of everything. Two lids, two catch basins, two screens. These are for any debris, mosquitoes, bugs that come down into here. It's just to be able to clean it out. That's all that is. And you're going to have the glue boards. This is the other lid. It's going to have two buckets. So how you set this up, we'll do it right in this bucket right here, but this is two different traps. You're going to take your cylinder like this, your lid, and your screen. Make sure the screen's at the bottom. You're going to take your glue board. It is two glue boards. They are stuck together. When you put this glue board into the cylinder, screen's on the bottom, remember that. The glue is going to be on the inside. So if this was wrapped like so, and then placed in here, this is exactly how you'll do it. This will be the glue, the sticky side. So as the mosquito comes in, they're attached to that. You do not want the glue on the cylinder stuck to the cylinder. So when you peel these apart, once again, it's two different traps, two different glue boards, I'm sorry. See, that's two different boards with glue on both sides. So we'll do a makeshift. We have the screen on the bottom. We put our glue board on the inside. You take one of the buckets. The buckets have a fill line and a drain hole. So here's your fill line right here. And there's a drain hole that it's going to be hard to see, but if water gets in there, it's going to seep out. Fill about 1 inch to 2 inches below this drain line. And they've marked it on the inside too, all around at 4 different spots inside the bucket. Fill your bucket up with the water 1 to 2 inches below that. Take a handful of natural organic matter, leaves, grass trimmings, hay, it doesn't matter. A small handful, drop it into the water. What that organic matter is going to do, it's going to start decomposing in there, and it's going to make it more attractive to the female mosquito as she comes in to lay the eggs. It's best to do that a day or two before you set these traps up. Put the water in, drop the organic matter in there, and just let it sit and basically permeate. Once that's done, you're going to take the things we just showed you, and you're going to grab your lid. This thing is all set up and ready to go. Your lid is going to snap on like any normal 5-gallon bucket lid. You just snap it into place with pressure. There's holes on this cylinder. What they're made for is to go on these catches like this. That's it. It's done once you put this lid on here. Now, for best results, you need to put these where the female mosquitoes are going to be attracted to lay eggs. This is going to be in shady, moist areas. So it's going to be in shrubbery areas. It's going to be under overhangs where it's really shady. So we filmed right here just to show you an example. This would be a nice shady area. And you would just set the trap like so. You don't want these in sunny areas. It's not where she's going to lay eggs. Let's backtrack a little bit. The most important part of any mosquito job is to eliminate the sources where that female is going to lay eggs. That can be the catch basins of your plants and your outdoor pots and plants that have that little catch tube at the bottom. You want to make sure water's eliminated there. Any of your children's toys that can accumulate water in the back of like a dump truck or whatever it may be, bicycle, tricycle. Any other areas, old tires in the backyard, anything that's going to attract just a small little ounce of water that gives her enough to lay eggs, eliminate that first. It doesn't matter if you're using these or if you're doing a spray treatment for mosquitoes. You still need to eliminate those water sources and make sure they stay gone. Once you put these traps out, they need to be serviced once a month. Servicing is so simple. All you do is replace with a new glue board and make sure your water level is at the level it needs to be. Place it back in place. Clean your screen out if it needs to be cleaned out. That's it. These traps are so easy to maintain. They're pesticide free. They're great for your green and sensitive accounts or anywhere you just don't want pesticides at all. These things have been thoroughly tested by Catchmaster and the actual government. I can't remember what government body agency they use, but these things got certified as one of the best traps out there. 2 of these, the reason it comes 2 to a box, 2 of these covers a normal size home. I'm talking like a normal size track home, anywhere from maybe 1,800 square feet to lower, maybe 25, just that normal size lawn. You get bigger, you need more traps. These Ovi traps are great for commercial buildings also, but the most important thing is they need to be in those shaded environments of where she's going to lay the eggs. All right, guys, that's the Ovi-Catchmaster trap. If you have any questions, it's called the Ovi-Catch, but it's made by Catchmaster. If you have any questions or concerns or something we didn't cover in this video, please feel free to reach out to us at howtopest.com. Once again, I'm Craig, and hopefully this video helps you guys out. Have a good one.